NVIDIA is up here on this double top. I'm going to move this up slightly. NVIDIA has to break 462 for the next leg up. Otherwise, you're going to get a pullback on 462. Does everybody see it? That's your atypical double top pullback if it can't make the move. SPY, by the way, new high a day. SPY just continuing to climb here. If it can't break 462, you're going to get a pullback. So we're doing the same thing we've always done on a double top. You're either getting a pullback on 462 leading back down to that 200 MA, or it's going to pop and it's going to continue to drive, but we don't want to touch it in this area until it breaks and holds. Oh, here we go. NVIDIA right here popping. Here we go. Look at that. Look at NVIDIA. Boom. A star is born. Look at it go.